Welcome to TechLeapar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Samsung TV to internet. So at first you have to go your TV home screen. After that you have to open up your settings app. To open up your TV settings, you can press this settings button from your TV remote. So just press it, and at the bottom you can see settings option, then just press OK to open up your settings. And that's it. Here you can see all settings option. Now if you cannot find any settings button in your TV remote, then just go to home screen again and then go to swipe left and then scroll down, and here you can see settings option, then just press OK and then press all settings. After that scroll down. Here you can see connection option, then just press OK and then scroll down again, then go to network option. Now from here scroll down again and then go to open network settings, and here you can see two options, wireless and wired. From here you can choose any option to connect your TV with internet. In my TV LAN port is connected, so I can easily select wired option. Now if you want to connect with wireless system, just select it and then press OK. After that select your Wi-Fi network. Now from here you have to type your Wi-Fi password. Now after type the Wi-Fi password, just select go option and then press OK and give it a moment, and it's done. You can see your TV is connected to the internet successfully. So just press OK and it's done. And that is how you can connect your Samsung TV to internet. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.